We are given a quick math challenge involving three numbers, A, B, and C. We know they're pairwise products, and we want to find the sum A plus B plus C. Here are the pairwise products. A times B equals 24, A times C equals 54, and B times C equals 36. We'll build these into a single equation to unlock ABC. First trick, multiply all three equations together. On the left, we get a times B times A times C times B times C. That rearranges to a squared B squared C squared, or ABC squared. On the right, we multiply 24 times 54 times 36. Let us compute the right-hand side. 24 times 54 times 36 equals 46,656. That means ABC squared is 46,656. So we take the square root of 46,656. This gives a times B times C equals 216. Now divide that product by each pair to find the individual numbers. Dividing 216 by BC, which is 36, gives A equals 6. Dividing 216 by AC, which is 54, gives B equals 4. Dividing 216 by AB, which is 24, gives C equals 9. Finally, sum the values. 6 plus 4 plus 9 equals 19. So the answer to the challenge is 19. We multiplied all three products to solve for the combined product, then divided to find each value and added them. That wraps up the entire solution.